Hello my cookies. Today we are going to make some sesame chicken wings. Let's cook. Starting with about 3 pounds of chicken wings that I have rinsed really well, and now I'm going to pat them dry. I put the chicken aside so we can work on our seasoning blend. I'm going to start with some Chinese 5 spice. And you can find that at any grocery store in the spice section. There's some garlic powder and of course some onion powder. Some smoked paprika. You can use kosher salt, but I'm using some seasoning salt here. Now mix it all together. I'll break out the baking powder, not the baking soda. Put your mom a little orange baking soda box back in the fridge. Since we're baking and not frying, the baking powder is going to make the chicken crispy as if we did fry. And I use 1 tablespoon of baking powder per pound of chicken. So mix the baking powder with the spices and sprinkle half of the mixture on the chicken and give it a good toss. Sprinkle the rest of the mixture and then toss it again to make sure the chicken is evenly coated in that spice and baking powder mix. Here I'm just lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. And I'm going to add on my chicken, giving them enough space in between to cook evenly. Now we bake on 450 for 15 minutes. After that 15 minutes is over, take them out, flip them over, and place them back into the oven for another 15 minutes. After that, take them back out, flip them once more, and put them back in for another 10 minutes. If you're confused, I'm sorry, click the link in the description box. Now let's work on the glaze. In the saucepan, add in some brown sugar, some soy sauce, some hoisin sauce. Check the Asian aisle at the grocery store, it's there. A good quality chicken broth or stock, some ground ginger, and some sesame oil. This is very strong, so you don't need a lot. Again, it can be found in the Asian aisle of the grocery store. Guys, I'm sorry, I lost the clip of me adding the honey and allowing it all to simmer under a medium heat setting for 2 minutes. While your sauce is simmering, you want to add some cornstarch into some water and whisk it really well. Now pour the cornstarch and water while whisking into that hot sauce and allow it to simmer until it thickens. It will take literally seconds. I already know when you make this, you're going to be like, Coop, this little bit of sauce. But listen, it's more than enough. We don't want these wings to float in sauce. It's just a nice little glaze. Now to that, we're going to add in the sesame seeds, of course. By now, our chicken is done, and look how doggone good that chicken looks, and it's extra crispy. Put it in a bowl, child, and we're going to pour that glaze on top. Give it a toss. Then, baby, grab your plate because it is time to eat. I added a little bit of green onions for some freshness, and that was it. If you'd like this recipe, be sure to click that link in the description box. Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give your girl a thumbs up. I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.